This is called spit. I made it accidentally, y'all, but it's Grey Goose. I dissolved a Japanese high chew in it. It was the one in the green pack. I think that's kiwi or apple. I dissolved it. I even dissolved like the soft mint, lemon type soft lemon mint, like the chewable like mint. I dissolved that in it. And this is what it came out looking like. And I just decided that it's a real mixed drink. And it's called spit. Because that's what it looks like. So, you got to have some. Make you some spit. Mix you up a drink of spit. Grey Goose vodka. Japanese hot chew. Dissolved in it. And a soft white, yellow was a lemon mint.